Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 best PC cases to buy 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5, Phanteks Eclipse G500A. The Eclipse G500A pushes the limit with its high airflow designed to unlock next-gen CPU and GPU performance. Both the front and top panels feature Phanteks ultra-fine performance mesh design that combines high airflow performance with excellent dust filtration, all in one. With its spacious interior, the G500A is ready for powerful gaming setups, offering 420 radiator in the front, 360 radiator in the top. Number 4, Fractal Design Define 7 Nano. The Define 7 Nano redefines precision and brings a host of features, from its larger siblings to a small form factor. The compact yet spacious interior accommodates any mini ITX and mini DTX motherboards, and there's room for a GPU up to 306mm with a 25mm front fan, making it the no-nonsense Nano to beat. Number 3, Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. From the manufacturer, make it yours. We're all about the things that make building a PC such a rewarding experience. The sense of achievement. The joy of making and creating something uniquely yours in form and function, and, of course, the thrill of bringing your creation to life without melting your components. Cosmos C700M raising the bars. The Cosmos series is known for pushing the limits of Cooler Master case technology. The freedom in layout organization and the support for unique graphics card mounting make custom building accessible right out of the box. Since the chassis is only as complex as builders need it to be, there will always be room to. Number 2, NZXT H710i. New features: front I/O USB Type-C port, vertical GPU mount, tempered glass side panel with single screw installation, and upgraded Smart Device V2. Smart Device V2 includes a faster microprocessor for NZXT cam-powered control of 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Vertical GPU mounting. Show off your graphic card with a built-in mounting bracket for installing your GPU vertically. PCIe riser card not included. Enhanced cable management. Our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. Specs: max GPU clearance, 413mm, radiator support front, 360mm, top, 360mm, rear, 140mm. Number 1, Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB. Make a lasting impression with the 5000T RGB's unique style, lit by an astonishing 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs, all with the clean design and builder-friendly features for which the 5000T series is renowned. With 160 RGB LEDs integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels, plus 48 LEDs in the included fans, you'll get vibrant, fully customizable RGB lighting from any angle, right out of the box. The 5000T RGB's distinctive contours and angular accents offer a unique look that no other case can match. Use the included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller to control up to 6 PWM fans and dual lighting channels for multiple RGB components with powerful iCUE software that easily synchronizes all your Corsair iCUE RGB products. Includes 3